Feeling stuck, overwhelmed, and wondering if financial success is just a distant dream? Are you tired of working hard, day in and day out, with little to show for it? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share the 7 laws of wealth you need to understand to fast-track your prosperity. Let me paint a picture. Imagine waking up in the morning, not because you have to, but because you choose to. Picture a life where money is not an endless struggle, but a tool that empowers you to pursue your passions and take care of your loved ones. These laws are followed religiously by millionaires because they work. Discover them today, and you'll have a roadmap to creating lasting wealth and abundance. Whether you're starting from zero or already have some savings, applying these laws will take you to the next level. But here's the catch. We won't just tell you what you want to hear. We'll address the harsh realities, the long-standing misconceptions, and the mindset shifts required to rise above the average and thrive in a world of abundance. Don't just watch the clock tick by, wondering what could have been. Take the first step to transform your life right now. Hit that subscribe button and buckle up, because immense riches await. See gold where others only see dirt. I wanted to chat with you today about this powerful principle that has helped many people achieve wealth and success. It can truly transform your perspective, especially when it comes to wealth creation. This concept is all about cultivating a mindset of opportunity and finding value where others might overlook it. It's about training your brain to see the potential in every situation and using it to your advantage. Sometimes, you may work on a project, but feel like it's going nowhere. It's easy to get discouraged when things don't go as planned. But let me tell you, that's completely normal, and it's where this concept comes into play. Let's say, your project involves designing and selling custom t-shirts, but you've hit a slump in sales. Instead of giving up, consider this. What if you expanded your target audience to include local businesses or sports teams? By reaching out to them, you may discover new opportunities and a fresh customer base. Suddenly, you've turned what seemed like a dead end into a potential gold mine. Let me give you another example where you can apply this concept. Imagine you're walking down the street, and you notice a run-down building that everyone else might dismiss as worthless. Instead of simply seeing dirt and decay, consider the potential of that building. Maybe it could be renovated and transformed into a trendy coffee shop or co-working space, attracting a thriving clientele and generating substantial wealth. It's all about looking beyond the surface. Maintaining this mindset requires practice and self-awareness. But what if others discourage you and think you're chasing unrealistic dreams? Yes, it's a common concern. When you adopt this perspective, you might encounter skeptics and naysayers who don't share your vision. But remember, great minds throughout history have faced criticism when pursuing what others considered impossible. The key is to believe in yourself, trust your instincts, and be resilient in the face of doubt. Our next law is acquire the charisma that commands the room. This powerful ability can truly change the game when it comes to building wealth. Imagine you walk into a meeting room and immediately make strong eye contact with everyone present. Here are a few practical steps to enhance your charisma. Confidence. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Begin by practicing confident body language, and soon it will become second nature. Active listening. Show a genuine interest in others by actively listening to their stories, experiences, and opinions. Engage in meaningful conversations, ask thoughtful questions, and make people feel heard and valued. Let your unique personality shine through, and don't be afraid to show vulnerability when appropriate. Remember, charisma is not about putting up a facade or pretending to be someone you're not. Rather, it's about enhancing your natural charm and magnetism to create meaningful connections that can impact your wealth positively. Mastering negotiation skills. I know your question. How can mastering negotiation skills contribute to building wealth? Well, let me tell you that mastering negotiation skills can be a game changer in your pursuit of wealth. You can create win-win situations and foster positive relationships with those around you. Whether you're negotiating a salary, a business deal, or an investment opportunity, knowing how to negotiate effectively can significantly impact your financial success. Consider this example. Imagine you're buying a used car from a private seller. Instead of accepting the initial price they offer, you can utilize negotiation skills to seek a better deal. You could ask questions about the car's condition, maintenance history, and any potential repairs required. By gathering this information, you can negotiate a lower price or ask for repairs to be included, ultimately increasing the value for your money. Another example. Let's say you're in the process of purchasing a property. With excellent negotiation skills, you can secure a lower price, favorable terms, or even additional incentives that can save you thousands of dollars. Is there any way negotiation skills can be applied in personal relationships? Certainly. Let's consider planning a vacation with friends. Rather than struggling to find a destination that everyone agrees on, you can use your negotiation skills to create a win-win situation. Initiate a discussion and ask everyone for their preferred locations or activities. By listening actively and finding common ground, you can negotiate a vacation plan that suits everyone's interests and ensures a memorable experience for all. Remember, practice makes perfect, so seize every opportunity to negotiate, even in everyday situations. No silver spoons here. Contrary to popular belief, most millionaires have built their wealth through their own efforts and determination. It's an inspiring and empowering notion that proves anyone can achieve financial success with the right mindset and strategies. Pursue continuous learning, constantly expand your knowledge and improve your skills. Engage in professional development courses, attend webinars or workshops, and read books on personal finance and investment. Build a solid savings habit. Start by automating a portion of your income to go directly into a savings account. Analyze your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses. Over time, you'll accumulate a significant amount of funds to invest wisely. Consider building additional sources of income, such as starting a side business, investing in stocks, or exploring the gig economy. Now, my friend, it's time to put these principles into action. Start by selecting one technique from the examples above and commit to implementing it within the next week. Whether it's signing up for a course, saving a specific amount each month, or researching potential side business opportunities, take that first step towards financial empowerment and watch your wealth grow. Slow and steady wins the money race. Imagine money as a race. Many people tend to chase quick wins and instant gratification when it comes to their finances. However, the idea is to focus on sustainable and consistent wealth creation, rather than taking unnecessary risks or seeking immediate success. How you can implement this in your daily life? Well, firstly, consider the importance of saving and investing regularly. Instead of trying to make large investments or putting all your money into risky ventures, start small and contribute a fixed sum of money consistently, like a portion of your monthly paycheck. This way, you're building a foundation for long-term wealth without compromising your financial security. There are numerous options where you can invest money, but one common approach is to invest in low-cost index funds. These funds allow you to diversify your investments across a wide range of companies, reducing the risk associated with investing in individual stocks. By consistently contributing to index funds over time, you can take advantage of compound interest and see your money grow steadily. Also, let's say you have a weakness for shopping. Instead of giving in to the temptation of buying everything in sight, try setting a monthly spending limit for yourself. Make a list of the essential items you need and commit to sticking to it. By being mindful of your spending and putting limitations on impulse purchases, you'll gradually save more and avoid unnecessary debt. To take immediate action, I suggest creating a budget and tracking your expenses. Additionally, I encourage you to educate yourself on personal finance through books, podcasts, or online courses. Knowledge is power when it comes to making informed financial decisions. Make your dollars sweat for you 24/7. It's all about investing your money wisely, allowing it to work for you and generate continuous returns, even while you sleep. It's about making your hard-earned money do the heavy lifting, rather than just letting it sit idle in a bank account. So, do you ever wonder why some people seem to effortlessly grow their wealth, while others struggle to make ends meet? One of the key factors is how effectively they make their dollars work for them. They understand that idle money is wasted money, and they take steps to ensure their funds are continuously working on their behalf. But how can you start implementing this concept in your daily life? Have you heard of investing? It's like planting seeds that grow into money trees. Imagine you have $5,000 sitting in a savings account earning minimal interest. While saving is essential and a good habit, it's not enough to create substantial wealth. Consider investing a portion of that money. By allocating it towards low-risk investment options, such as mutual funds or index funds, you can potentially earn returns of 6% or more annually. Over time, compound interest can turn that $5,000 into a much larger sum. Another aspect is passive income. It's like having your money work for you while you focus on other things in life. It's income that doesn't require your active involvement or continuous effort. Have you ever considered investing in rental properties to generate passive income? By purchasing a property and renting it out to tenants, you can receive a steady stream of rental income month after month. These examples seem practical, but it still feels overwhelming, right? But let me tell you, wealth creation is within your reach. Remember, it's not about pursuing get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, focus on gradual yet consistent steps to build wealth over time. Celebrate small victories along the way and stay motivated. When the road gets rocky, keep pushing. I'm sure you have heard of the importance of perseverance. In the journey to build wealth, there will inevitably be tough times and obstacles. But the key is to stay committed, learn from failures, and never give up. As we all know, life is full of challenges and obstacles. It's about having a stubborn determination to keep pushing forward, even when the path ahead seems rocky. Let me share a few specific examples to make it easier for you to understand and apply. First, let's talk about financial goals. When it comes to growing your wealth, setbacks are inevitable. It could be a poor investment, a market downturn, or even a personal financial crisis. Take a step back, reassess your strategy, and learn from your mistakes. Remember, even the most successful millionaires have faced failure before they achieved greatness. Secondly, let's talk about personal growth. Sometimes, we encounter obstacles that may feel unbearable. It could be a challenging task at work, a difficult project, or even a strained relationship. In these situations, it's crucial to remain persistent and determined. Break down the problem into small and manageable chunks, seek guidance if needed, and tackle it one step at a time. Pushing through these difficulties will not only cultivate your skills but also build your character. And lastly, let's discuss the importance of a positive mindset. When life gets tough, it's easy to let negativity consume us. However, it's essential to reframe our thinking and focus on the opportunities and lessons hidden within those challenges. But what should you do next? Action is key. Take a moment to reflect on your goals and identify any areas where you feel discouraged or stuck. Get ready to unlock your true potential and experience the wealth and success you deserve. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more empowering content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to financial greatness. Keep pushing, stay determined, and let's get rich together.